Yes, hello everyone, welcome back again to this video and welcome back again to Know Max TV. So in this tutorial I'm going to show you one of the free internet connection management app that you can use on your Android phone, so that you can be able to manage your internet connection, and you can also be able to use various services in this application that can be helping you while connecting to wireless connection. As you see in my phone, you can see now I have also the one button which is also of Wi-Fi. I have this one option of Wi-Fi, and you can see at the top here, you can see I have here at the top, you see I have also this option of Wi-Fi, and you can see now this is a Wi-Fi which is connected, and I want to be using this application, and I see if there is anything which is going to be changed. So now, if you did not subscribe to this channel, No Max TV, subscribe today, like this video, share this video to your friends, and turn on notification bell button so as you always get notified when you upload a new video here at No Max TV. So without wasting time, let's get started. So what we are going to do first, we go in the Play Store. So we go in the Play Store for Android phone, and if we open Play Store for Android phone, you can see we search also the application which is called Wi-Fi connection management or connection manager. So if you type Wi-Fi connection manager, you can see, yes, you can see this first one, and we want to be using this one. As you click here, you can see I have this one also is the one I'm going to be downloading in my Android phone, and you see it is installed in my Android phone. What you need to do is to install this application. Then after installing this application, you can proceed with the next steps. Here is what you do is to also open this application, because I want to be to start using or setting up this application. Then I open this application. So if I open this application, you can see I have also various options here, including also my Wi-Fi connection which is connected on this Android device. And as you see here at the top, you can see I have also various options. You see now, so there is another Wi-Fi connection option at the top which come to also my application. As you can see here at the top, you see I have another symbol, and you can see I have also another Wi-Fi symbol, which means I have also two management here which are managing also my Wi-Fi connection. And also you see here I have this option which is also for Wi-Fi, and if I click here, you can see this is the name of my connection, and you can see I'm getting the IP address of my internet connection. And what I need to do here is to click on this. I can click on this, and if I click on this, I can get to various options of this internet connection. And you see, first of all, I have this one which is Wi-Fi name, and you can see this Wi-Fi name. You see connection info, disable this network, you can disable this network. Edit comment, you can see IP and the proxy. You can see show or password and root if required. Also, you can see detect authentication for this application. So now what you need to do, you need to choose which one you want to be applying for this one. And for example, if I choose this one for connection info, you can see I'm getting various information about my connection, and you can be getting also how your connection is moving. And as you see here at the top right, you can get also various options here. As you see, I have 65 MB, and you can also choose here. Now you see I have a network tools here, and I can start also using the Wi-Fi connection manager. I can use ping, I can get also LAN scan. I can choose also to get public IP. I can choose to see IP location, and you see also I can now come back here to scan. If I come to scan, you see I go to again to the network. Also I can click here to spectrum, and if I come to spectrum, you can see I get another option. This is my Wi-Fi here. You see this is my Wi-Fi name which is connected here, and it is showing me how my internet is being used on these days. And you can see I have a band which is also 2.4 GIC, and I can click here on this to change this one. And if I change this one, you see there's nothing here because my Wi-Fi is using 2.4 instead of using 5. So now if I click here again, you see it is bringing my internet connection because it's the one which is connected and which I was using also on my phone, and which I was connecting on my phone. So I can click here now to explore now connection history in my phone. And if I click on this, I go to connection history, and you can see begin date, so December 11 2022. Now this is the time now I started connecting this internet to my phone, and it's also recorded the time I started so installing this application. Once I installed this application, it is stated also counting how this application is working on my phone. And you can say I have also end date. So end date will be coming when also I have stopped this internet connection. It is going to be keeping the history of the end date. Now I have here so WPA or WPA2 PSC. Now you can choose also anything you want here. Also there are various options you can be exploring to use with this application. As you can see, now I have also settings, which is SSID chassis, backup and restore scan filter. You choose which one you want to be scanning. If you choose also select a security type to display, you can choose one display. For example, I choose this one, and I save. If I save now this one, also I come to scan. If I come to scan, now you can see here you can be able to now also using all these options you have also updated in your setting features in your Android phone or in this also application. You can say I have portable, and you need permissions also in order to continue this operation. You can click OK and give permission to this application. Now what you need to do is to give permission to this application and start working. So this application allows an app to modify system settings. What you have to do if you want to be allowing this application, you have to click here and allow this application also in your Android phone and give it permission to continue using this option of Wi-Fi. As you see, if I click back, it is going to give me also the permission manager, and I click here. If I click here, I have to allow this application depending on which permission I want to be giving this application, so that it can be using various features in my Android phone, or I can be using various features of this application in my Android phone. You see, now what I need to do, maybe I can choose Apple's load, I can choose also microphone load. Now you see also 3 more permissions. Now you see all the permissions, most of the permissions also are allowed. Now you can choose if now you have any permission which is not allowed. You need also to allow this one to be also using these features depending on which one you want to be using. So now let's go back and also to the application itself. You see now this Wi-Fi also which is connected in my phone, and also it is detecting the same when you go to check how it is also using various features in my Android phone. So thank you for watching this video. Like this video, this is how you can also use this application to be managing your Wi-Fi connection, or to be checking how your Wi-Fi is being used, how much data is you are using on your Android phone, and the other information you want to be checking on your Android phone. You can use this application to be checking them in the same area and without any further interruptions. Like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn notification bell button so as you always get notified when you upload a new video here at Max TV.